once again.
Bueno, aquí tenemos, we got a dipole antenna that I made. It's a dipole antenna for 10 meters and 11 meters. I have this dipole antenna, there's two dipole antennas. It's take 10 and 11 meters. So I put the T right here, the T right here. Working really good. So I have here 100 is 80 feet of cable. 80 feet of cable. It's working really good. You're gonna see the SWR now. How it's working. Hey my friends, so we're gonna check how this dipole antenna. Look at the dipole antenna. Let's check how this dipole antenna is working. Yup. So I got it right here. Let's turn it on and let's see how this is working. Look at this. Yeah, this is working really good. Look at this. Look at this. It's working really good. Yep. So just seeing the dipole antenna how's working. 73, my friend. This is 71 from Puerto Rico.